It's the most wonderful time of year, and no, we're not talking about Christmas, we are talking about back to school. During the summer months, as a mother, I find with there not being a set structure to the schedule, there's no set wake-up times, bedtimes, activity times, the days kind of can just sort of blur into chaos of keeping kids entertained and still trying to work. So now that you do have your set schedule again, now's a great time to really sit down, focus on what it is that you're missing in your skincare routine and setting that skincare routine in stone and stick to it. If you don't already have a skincare routine that you absolutely love, now with the seasons changing, it's a perfect excuse to come into the clinic for a complimentary consultation to figure out exactly what your skin needs to meet your skin goals. And one of the main things to remember when you are setting your skincare routine going into fall is GSR, getting skin ready. So with getting skin ready, what that is cleanse, exfoliate, and tone. So that's something you're going to do every day. Cleanse, exfoliate, tone every morning once you've worked your way up to exfoliating every day, and then cleanse and tone in the evenings. We're going to do a separate video on the different variations of getting skin ready for the different skin types, so you know exactly what products you should be using for your skin type. And what you're getting your skin ready for is absorbing the next step products. So all your hydrators, all your high potency products, or your products that are full of your antioxidants and your active ingredients, you don't want to be putting that on top of a dead layer of skin. You really want your skin to absorb those products. So whatever your routine is that you're going to get back into this fall, you want to make sure that it starts with your GSR, getting skin ready. And when it comes to getting back into the swing of things with your skincare routine this fall, the main thing you want to think about is making it accessible. When it comes to results with your skin, the thing to keep in mind is consistency is key. So for me personally, just with my life in general, having kids and working, I like to time block my calendar so that I have it all set for the week. So I actually put in a little block of time for my AM and PM routine. If you find that you're just too busy with the kids getting back to school and the chaoticness of it, a couple of my little hacks that I do. My AM routine, which you'll see a video for that as well soon, is I have a backup plan for that. So I have my products all nicely out on my counter in my bathroom, but for most days when I'm running behind trying to get the kids out the door, I either have smaller travel sizes of the products, which come in a lot of the kits we carry, or I just have the full size and I keep it in a little travel bag in the glove box in my car. That way, if I get to work a few minutes early, if I have some time in between kid drop-offs, I do a couple steps. I will run into the bathroom once I get to work and just finish off the last couple steps. That way, no matter what, if I'm running late in the morning and I have to bypass my skin routine, because that's always the first thing on the list to go when I'm trying to find time, I have it with me and I can get it done at some point. Whether that means slipping into the bathroom quickly or staying in my car for an extra 2 minutes before I head up to the clinic, I get it done. And if you're finding it hard to stick to your skincare routine in your evening schedule, another little hack that I do as a mom, which you'll see in my PM routine video, is again, I have my products out on my bathroom counter, but if I'm exhausted and wiped at the end of the day, I have my sort of main must-have go-to 3 or 4 products and some cotton pads on my nightstand in my bedroom. That way, if I just have to crash, I could use something like the Teoxane Micellar Water to remove all my makeup and cleanse my face without having to rinse it off with water, and then I can put my products on from there. So it's been 2 long months, the kids are finally back to school. Now is a perfect time to get your life sort of back in order, get back to routine, get back to schedule. So make sure you're making your skincare routine part of it. You've survived the summer, but kids are exhausting and they will suck the life out of you. So make sure you are taking a little bit of time in the morning and the evening for you and try and enjoy it.